But you know, when you talk about biological differences between men and women, the feeling that women like myself, as you know, let me just ask you the question, is that we are being treated as if we are impure because we are menstruating women. Sabrimala, for example, menstruating women are not allowed. Menstruation is treated as something impure when it is. Why should we be ashamed? Why should we be embarrassed?
Not at all. Today, you and me are sitting here only because our mothers had menstrual cycles.
Exactly.
All right? We are born out of this.
Exactly.
I'm saying this is made out of that.
Exactly.
There is no question of impurity.
Yes.
This body is a consequence of that, all right? So let's remove that. There is such nonsense going on in some people's mind, that's different. All the hill temples in the past banned women from going for one reason, because you need to understand, those were not days where the tiger has to be saved. They were in thousands everywhere. So, women were not allowed to go into hill temples because they would get killed, because carnivorous animals smell out a woman much more easily than a man. So, wherever there are wild animals, they said, that thing is gone. Because one thing is, tiger needs protection, it is not prowling all over the place. Another thing is, the women are not in the same condition as they were 1,000 years ago. They have all the necessary means to protect themselves right now. Those days, the situation was such that they told them, women should not come up this temple. It was not a taboo. It was just that, don't come up this mountain, it's dangerous for you.
But what about a Haji Ali Dargah or a Sabrimala temple? What is the position somebody like you?
That is what, Sabrimala temple is a hill temple for which they put that law at that time. Now it can definitely be relaxed.
It should be?
It should be. It should be. All hill temples, this should go, because today women are equipped with boots and stuff and whatever sanitary stuff, everything needed is there. So that law is no more relevant. That was just a precaution to protect her, but that protection is not needed anymore. She is as equipped as a man to go wherever she wants to go.
So you're only saying in the Shani temples you don't support
wherever there is strong occult practices, one should not go, it's not good. It's not good to go, I'm sorry.
Good evening, sir. My name is Pankaj. Good evening, sir. So my question is, like, recently there is a controversy regarding Sabrimala temple, that women between the age of 10 and 40 are not allowed in the temple because of reason being they are impure and so on. And so what the narrative which was postulated basically was that, this kind of custom and tradition is very regressive and oppressive and discriminatory. So my question is, like, with contemporary, keeping contemporary morals and ethics in mind, can we even justify this kind of a tradition? And
it's a good point.
And how do we do it?
But our smritis, this is why this tradition is not a shruti, this tradition is a smriti. Smriti can be modified, right? So with the times, as times change, as needs change, we have to be able to reevaluate it. And maybe it doesn't make sense to do this. And we should be smart enough, we should be brave enough to say, let's bring the different people together. There shouldn't be violence and anger, and you don't need police there. You should have smart people who understand the tradition, somebody who understands the history of that particular temple, why it happened, where it happened from, what is their logic, what is their basis, to see if we can have an amicable solution without external intervention. So the insiders need to also be flexible to discuss issues openly, and the outsiders need to be kept out because it's none of their business. So I'm not saying that we should freeze the system and never change it. I just don't want interference.
क्या देता है? भारम न बाधती राजन यथा बाधती बाधते है कि राजा मुझे ये भार कष्ट नहीं दे रहा जितना आपके मुंह से बोला हुआ बाधती शब्द कष्ट दे रहा है, क्योंकि बाधती शब्द